National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Preble County, central Butler County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Warren County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Montgomery County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ross, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Middletown, Miamisburg, Springboro, Monroe, Trenton, Franklin, Moraine, Carlisle, South Middletown, 7 Mile, Hunter, Williamsdale, Gartown, Germantown, New Miami, Millville, Jacksonburg, Collinsville, and Pekin. This includes Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 30 and 42. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the official